Right now, someone on your team is pasting company data into a free AI tool. Not to be reckless, just to get work done faster. And that one habit is quietly becoming the biggest security hole in small business. Here's the playbook to fix it, without banning AI. Here's the uncomfortable part. You probably can't see it happening. Most AI use at work runs through personal accounts your IT never set up. It's called shadow AI, and the data says it's everywhere. So the question isn't whether your team uses AI, it's whether your company data is walking out the door with it. Risk 1. Data leakage. Security firm Cyberhaven tracked millions of workers and found the amount of corporate data going into AI tools jumped 485% in a single year, and most of it through personal, unmanaged accounts. Customer lists, source code, financials, pasted into a chatbot that may keep it. Risk 2. You're on the hook for what your AI says. When Air Canada's chatbot gave a customer a wrong refund policy, the company argued the bot was responsible, not them. The tribunal's answer? It makes no difference whether the information comes from a static page or a chatbot. Air Canada paid. If your AI talks to customers, its mistakes are your liability. Risk 3. Free tools can train on what you type. The fix is boring but huge. Read the data terms. Google's Workspace version says, in writing, your prompts are not used for training generative AI models outside of your domain without your permission. The free consumer version? It can use your chats by default. Same brand, completely different risk. Risk 4. This is already costing companies. IBM's 2025 breach report found 1 in 5 breached organizations had a breach linked to shadow AI. And it's not hypothetical. Samsung banned ChatGPT internally after engineers pasted secret source code into it. Big company, same mistake your team can make on a Tuesday. So what's the right mindset? On Marina Mogilko's Silicon Valley Girl podcast, Microsoft AI's CEO, Mustafa Suleyman, described the goal as containment, making sure, in his words, these AIs have limited scope and check in with you and are accountable to you. For a business, that's the whole game. Keep AI on a leash, not on the loose. Here's where leaders split. One camp says, lock it down, ban consumer AI, block the sites, eliminate the risk. The other says that's a mistake. Ban it, and your team just uses it on their phones, where you have zero visibility. So which is it? Forbid AI or let it run? The experts land in the middle, and it's practical. 1. Don't ban, replace. Give people the paid, enterprise version of the tools they already want. The ones that contractually don't train on your data. A sanctioned good tool beats a forbidden one every time. 2. Know what you've got. NIST's AI framework starts with one unglamorous step, an inventory of every AI tool in use, plus a one-page acceptable use policy. What data can go in, what can't. You can't govern what you can't see. 3. Keep a human in the loop. Anything customer-facing or high stakes, contracts, refunds, advice, anything legal or financial, gets reviewed by a person before it ships. That single rule is what would have saved Air Canada. So here's your week 1 checklist. Pick your 3 core AI tools and switch them to enterprise terms. Write a one-page AI use policy. Make a list of where AI touches customers and add human review there. Then tell your team, AI is encouraged. Here's how to use it safely. That governance setup is exactly what we build with companies at Omash.ai. Big firm AI safety, sized for Main Street. Govern it. Don't fear it. If this gave you a plan, subscribe. Every episode we take one AI question and tell you what actually works. I'm Alex with Omash AI. See you next time.